Assalamualaikum semua, saya Ashraf dari Funko Shraf and welcome back to my channel. Hari ni mana satu original and mana satu fake? Jom kita tengok macam mana nak tahu original atau fake. Hari ni saya ingin menunaikan beberapa permintaan daripada one of my viewers, daripada korang punya komen, which was nak tunjuk atau nak tahu macam mana nak detect fake ataupun original Funko. So for this purpose of video, saya memang sengaja beli a fake ataupun obvious fake product so that easier for us to compare ataupun nak detect fake and original. Bear in mind that along the years, especially today's fake product has been getting really good in impersonating real Funko Pop. For example, I will show you guys later in the next or afterwards after kita settle for this comparison. Jom kita buka for the first box. Actually saya dah tahu, saya beli pop yang saya dah ada, I mean the original one saya dah ada, and saya purposely beli this fake one so that I can show you guys one-to-one comparison. Okay, first of all, the shape is just dalam plastik hitam and just a round shape bubble wrap. I am unboxing live dengan korang supaya you guys know how he looks like. This is Kakashi, badly damaged in his lightning blade. I'll show you guys the front. I would say agak mengecewakan sebab even though it's fake, but this is the way how they ship it. Just a bubble wrap and plastic hitam, and this is what happened. The box is super highly badly damaged. Supposedly I tak kisah pun since I know this is fake. And jom saya bawa a compare with the real one. Okay, so the one on the right, yang ni, this is original all the way from United States and this is from China, a fake ataupun mimic of this. Sekali imbas saya nampak there are certain noticeable perbezaan antara original dan fake. Okay, first kita tengok. Let's have a look daripada front side of this pop. Along the years dulu, kalau fake and original product, sekali imbas korang boleh notice dulu the fake pop. This is original by the way. The fake pop, they don't have this kind of animation description dekat dia punya pop. But as I told you, they getting better in mimicking original product. So saya rasa they notice something, so they starting to copy and make some effort into copying the original one. And yes, sekarang even fake pop, they have this description. Dulu tak ada, sekarang diorang dah make an effort untuk copy this. Next, along the years in collecting, korang akan notice sesuatu lah. Kalau korang perasan, ini outline punya ni, outline in this pop, I mean image Kakashi ni, kalau korang nampak ada line putih ni, if you guys have a look on the original one, they are much slimmer compared to this. Kalau korang tengok, the perbezaan ataupun besar atau kecil dia punya cutting sangat-sangat berbeza. This one is much more slimmer, this is much more thicker. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, the rest, they are much, dia punya tiru dia sangat-sangat detail. I mean, they almost do it successfully. Except kalau korang tengok Naruto, korang tahu apa ada dekat mata on left side of Kakashi's eyes. Kalau korang tengok on the original one, this one ada scar. If you have a look at the top eyes, ada scar from top to bottom. But this one, you know, since it's fake, sometimes they miss out on the most detail of the Funko Pop. For example, dia punya marking atau scar dekat sini missing. Okay, bear in mind that kalau korang tengok Naruto, korang tahulah house Kakashi punya, dia punya ada scar kat situ. And kalau ada orang missing ni and you guys see this, obviously it is a fake pop. And selain itu, tak tahu kalau korang boleh nampak ke tak, printing on the Kakashi ni, printing lah, dia punya printing nampak macam very cheap printing punya quality kalau compare to original one. This one it is much brighter ataupun clearer. Saya harap korang boleh nampak lah original and fake. In other words, this is much cheaper printing, this is way higher printing. Okay, kalau korang nampak dekat Hot Topic exclusive, by the way this Kakashi is a Hot Topic exclusive. Okay, maybe they can copy dia punya font ataupun everything, but korang tengok on the details on the behind of the font. Macam contoh bintang-bintang, I would say it's a star. The star on original one is orange, macam keorenan, but this one star dia more obvious and they are much more red. And dia punya details on the star korang boleh notice. Okay, we move on to the next side. Macam biasa, same. Noticeable is the eyes. The rest they are pretty much the same. This is what I meant when they getting better in copying ataupun tiru the original. Then we move on to the back. The back I would say macam biasa, Kakashi punya mata noticeable, and dia punya printing quality of this lineup is much. This one is blur and this one is much more clearer. Dia macam dia orang scan ni and dia orang print. You guys get what I mean? So that's what happen when you scan and print. Dia punya quality memang akan jatuh punya. Next, this side they are noticeable macam biasa, just the eyes. And the bottom is okay. The bottom is actually the hardest for them to copy. Maksud saya dekat sini adalah diorang actually they need to buy this story so they can mimic this. I think this one they just got a picture of it and they miss out on this. One thing about original pop, diorang akan buat a time stamp. I would say time stamp of the bila diorang being produced. Macam saya punya ni adalah pada tahun 2020 bulan 9 if I'm not mistaken. But this one they are missing anything ataupun they are just missing it. They don't care about that and they miss out on that. Itu adalah one of criteria original and fake Funko Pop. They have the timestamp bila pop tu being produced. Okay, so bear that in mind guys. Jom we move on to the pop. Kalau sekali imbas korang boleh nampak dia punya quality ataupun color of the pop, it's much ketara. Sangat-sangat ketara. This one, you guys can see the skin of Kakashi is much fair ataupun putih. But this one, korang boleh nampak dia macam keorenan ataupun orang kata demam kuning lah. Tengok This is the fake one. Boleh nampak dia punya orange and this one is much fair. Kakashi ni lebih putih. Okay, jom saya akan pull this out to show you guys a closer look. Okay, so this is a comparison between original and fake. This is original and this is the fake one. Currently saya tengah shoot pukul 9 pagi, so matahari is a bit shooting at my face. So, apa yang kita boleh nampak dekat sini adalah, kalau korang tengok macam biasa, for all Naruto's fan, you know what they have on Kakashi's face. Dekat sini tadi as mentioned, the scar is fully painted from top to bottom, but for this one they just keep it. Macam dekat box tadi ada at least belah bawah, but this one they just completely skip it. Maybe because of the details they thought we won't care. And dekat Naruto, the headband, diorang punya headband, korang boleh nampak dia punya paku. I would say this is a paku lah, how they ikat dekat Konoha punya logo ni dekat the headband. So this one, this is a belly. Korang nampak macam ada tak ada je. Perasan tak? Okay, look at the head, his head, Kakashi punya head. Boleh nampak it's timbul ataupun keluar. For this one, the belly nak tak nak ada. Kalau ada, kalau tak ada pun dia tak kisah. Next, as mentioned tadi, dia punya tone of the color ataupun Kakashi punya kulit. This one is much putih and this is more yellowish, I would say. And I have to say that dia punya hair punya scalp ataupun the way they copy dia punya kepala, rambut Kakashi, it is pretty much the same. I cannot detect between real or fake. Apa yang saya nampak is diorang punya paint job is a bit sloppy. This is the fake one again. Kalau korang nampak color headband tu, since they did it sloppily, it's go to the rambut punya Kakashi punya rambut. So this one is much more cleaner. And so at the back of the head for Kakashi, tak tahu kalau korang perasan ke tak, dia punya ini macam lebih ke dalam. The head is much more deeper, but this is much more straighter lah. maybe sebab diorang produce banyak sangat and they stack semua benda, and this is what happen. Dia punya kepala, this one is masuk ke dalam maybe heavy stack. Okay, so kalau korang nampak dekat sini, dia punya paint job, this is they just literally paint dekat atas ni saja, but at least maybe tak adalah 100% perfect, but korang boleh nampak dia punya paint, they at least make an effort sampai ke bawah lah to separate between hair and headband. But this one is just satu round saja dia paint and that's it. So we look at the body. The body is, I have to say, susah juga nak detect, but you guys can see the sloppy job, painting job dekat sini. This is clean. This is as clean as they can be. Sangat cantik dia punya kaki. Even though kaki you guys can detect lah, nampak lah dia punya cantik, dia punya kemas. For this one, cincai one, cincai sampai kaki Kakashi boleh keluar daripada slipper ni. Okay. So, other than that, dia punya pouch bag is a bit susah juga saya nak differentiate. So, for logo, the fire logo ataupun Konoha punya logo, this one is a bit macam dimasukkan ke dalam, a bit banded slightly lah, but this one is just simple paint, nothing embedded, but adalah sikit compared to this is much clearer. Kita tengok dekat Raikiri ataupun Kakashi punya Chidori, is it? Tapi Kakashi panggil Raikiri Okay, I have to say that, ingat yang the right one is the original, this is the fake. I have to say that they did some good job on this, even though there are no ways to detect ori ataupun fake Raikiri, but this is quite, I have to say, tak boleh nak detect. Cuma basic of detecting original or fake, korang try to get the original one before comparing to the fake one. This is how the original looks like. They are not translucent, diorang macam a bit kabut ataupun cloudy. This is so clear that the blue is much more clearer compared to this lah. Itu one thing korang kena bear in mind. And one more, we going back to the front of the pop, dekat shuriken ataupun shuriken blade punya pouch ni, kalau korang nampak dia punya tali ni, they paint thick. Dia punya hitam tu is a bit thicker than this. This is just literally a line, so that's one to keep bear in mind. Okay, kalau korang nampak dekat tangan kiri Kakashi ni, they are so beautiful. Macam, I mean, korang tak boleh nampak pun any separation of this pop being mold. But for this one, kalau korang give a closer look to his left hand, nampak separation between two mold lah. And it's a sloppy work and hideous. Bagi saya tak cantik sebab nampak dekat tangan. As for Kakashi, they are original ones, they are much more different. Okay, one more tip in detecting original of Funko Pop. Kalau korang beli, maybe you guys need to bring it out of the box. Korang kena tengok the time stamp on this. Okay, dekat kaki on the fake one, they might can copy semua Funko punya trademark ataupun typical printing, but on this one, original one, kalau korang nampak dekat sini, yang tulisan warna putih ni is a printing of bila pop tu kena dibuat ataupun they are being produced. This printing yang warna putih ni, they should be same like the one I tunjuk dekat korang before. This one must be the same as this. Okay, so yang tulisan putih ni is the same, FM 200902, same macam dekat sini, FM 200902. Dekat sini, they are just randomly, I believe this is maybe they try to copy the old timestamp. This might be it, but it's just a simple printing and that's it. But for this one, much more detail lah. I hope you guys can see that, because it is make much different in collecting between real and fake. Bagi saya penting lah knowing that original or fake. That's pretty much for the first Funko Pop. We move on to the next one. Okay, next one is Marvel. I would say you guys gonna like it. This one they ship in a bit hard pop ataupun slightly kotak yang keras. Saya beli daripada dua different seller because I specifically nak comparekan dengan pop yang saya ada, so that easier for you guys to see. Okay, maybe you guys can see this. This one is Iron Man, but Iron Man ni dia macam menyengit, parallel punya Iron Man. Compared to my original Iron Man, he is in a bit quite good condition. This one is original and the parallel Iron Man is the fake one. Okay, let's move on to the detecting basic printing of the Iron Man. Okay, I got to say first thing first yang saya nampak is the borderline between these two printing. Kalau korang tengok dekat sini, this is much more on the edge of the box, while this one is just barely you guys can see the amount ataupun the space. Okay, next I have to say for this one, they did quite a good cutting, but still like I said, original and fake. Original is much more thinner, maybe because diorang punya machine of cutting machine diorang much more accurate compared to this one. Kalau maybe in sekali pandang korang, saya pun ingat this could be original because of the punya cutout is a bit improved compared to the Kakashi tadi. So bear in mind that this is how the cut, this is much more thinner and cantik. I have to say that the rest is almost the same, but macam biasa kalau korang boleh nampak, dia punya printing is a bit blurry ataupun tak clear. This one as red as it can be. The rest is pretty much the same. Macam okay, just remember that dia punya printing ni also blurry, tak cantik compared to this. The rest is pretty much the same. Kalau korang tengok, the limit of using ataupun owning this H15 ataupun H3, bear that in mind. Yang ni dia berubah ikut tempat ataupun negara. Ada yang limit to H3 and above, ada yang 15 and above. So that's really not much anything we can do about that. Selain kepala dia sengit, this is much of a golden ataupun goldish dia punya muka Iron Man compared to this much more yellowish. At the back of the pop, apa yang saya boleh katakan, there is pretty much almost semua macam nampak sama. Cuma like as always, dia punya printing this is much blur. At the side of the box sama juga, just a blur, and the rest saya rasa dia dapat a copy of this, so that's why this is the closest as they can copy. And we going to the bottom of the pop. Macam biasa, first thing first, apa yang kita kena cari is the timestamp of production of this pop. Ingat belah kanan is an original pop. This is the timestamp bila this pop being produced. As you guys can see, this was being produced during 2015, while on this one there are nothing on it. And yeah, kalau korang nampak dia punya border of this kelabu punya printing, this is much more center, and dia punya distance from this to this sama, this to this sama. As you guys can see, this is a way out of dia punya susunan diorang lah. Funko actually they appoint to production ataupun factory. They have factory somewhere in China and in Vietnam. Korang, you guys please do not be worried if you have the one that made in China, because Funko actually have two factories. I rasa lah they have two factories. One is made in China, one is made in Vietnam. But just bear in mind lah, sometimes kalau yang korang dapat made in China pun it's not actually fake, it could be original. And the rest is pretty much it. Jom kita tengok the detail of the pop. I will pull this out of the box. I'm not sure about the blast effect from this original Iron Man, if it's detachable or not, saya tak sure yang tu. But apa yang perasan, kalau korang beli the fake one, this is easily detached and susah nak masukkan. I mean like dia punya the way they mold it, this one could be different mold daripada, I mean I have been trying. Okay, boleh. So let's have a look in a first glimpse ataupun glance. The one on my right side is original and the one on my left is the fake one. Okay, apa yang saya boleh nampak adalah maybe the colour of the gold colour of the Iron Man, and the size of the head itself. Surprisingly, saya baru perasan this one, the fake one is much more smaller. Okay, maybe it's hard ataupun susah nak compare original dengan fake. The best way you guys to notice it is, first thing first is the colour. This is much a gold colour. Gold dia macam lebih pekat compared to this. This is macam just a bit cair. The gores cair. The next I notice is that the alignment of the eyes ini macam lari sikit, way down. I don't know. Saya rasa macam lari. And dia punya mata is a bit timbul. Okay, next is the best way to notice fake or original Funko Pop. Dia punya the tiniest ataupun the smallest detail. Kalau korang tengok dekat, have a look at the leg. This one ada gold painted, but this one they literally paint red all over it. So that is high red flag untuk korang notice if it's original or fake. And next is macam saya cakap, Funko Pop, original Funko Pop, they pay attention to detail. Kalau korang tengok dekat dia punya rector, Iron Man punya rector, dia punya white is the whole white that in that circle, while for the fake one is literally macam just a chop and then that's it. Even though ada lagi ruang dekat situ, they don't bother to paint all the way. Kalau korang tengok dekat next, kalau korang tengok, okay, this is much more noticeable. Dekat dia punya tangan, they I think one thing about Funko is they can mimic the original Iron Man in the movie. So what they try to do is, even though there are small details only, they follow it. That's what I love about Funko Pop. They follow the detail of the original, what we can see in the movie. So apa yang korang nampak dekat sini is there are tiny, ada sedikit merah kecil yang they painted upwards, while for this one they literally cover it all dengan gold. So there you goes, original and fake. And I can see that, tak tahulah korang boleh nampak, this one is, dia punya printing is so much beautiful and detailed that dia macam tak ada smudge ataupun dia orang terlajak paint compared to this. This one is literally the paint all over it and that's it. They don't bother to fix the painting. Okay, next is macam biasa, apa yang noticeable is dia punya paint job. Much more sloppy. And kalau korang nampak the joint dekat Iron Man punya leg, this one is worth to notice that yang ni much more smaller compared to this one. This one kalau korang tengok dekat dia punya right leg maybe small, but on the left side is just a thicker. So that's the quality of the fake product to me lah. And kalau tengok dekat tepi ni agak susah untuk, just another paint job punya flaw lah. Itu sahaja. And macam biasa, I think it's hard for fake production to copy dia punya blast, dia punya resin. I would say, is this resin actually? Not really, I don't know. Kalau korang tengok, this is much more cloudy compared to this one. This is as clear as blue. Okay, now we go to the bottom of the blast. One more thing korang kena ingat, macam mana Funko produce the pop, diorang will always stamp at the bottom of the pop, no matter what kind of shape of the box, the pop. Okay, kalau kita tengok dekat original one, okay, dia punya timestamp is 2015 0129. Ni sama dengan the timestamp on the box, sama dengan the timestamp on the pop. Okay, so always check the bottom, especially kalau korang beli second hand punya Funko Pop. Ask them to pull it out if they don't mind. While for this one, this is just plain, they don't bother to do anything, and can see dia punya job is much sloppy. Okay, so that's pretty much it untuk today punya in detecting original and fake Funko Pop. I always advise you guys, please buy original Funko Pop, because that is where korang akan dapat dia punya kepuasan in terms of the quality of the Funko Pop. One of the ways is to buy it from Sheldonette. Saya dah mention dengan korang before, Sheldonette Pop Culture, even though they are from Australia, but it is really worth the price ataupun dia punya cost in bringing it to Malaysia. And the other one is you guys can buy from me. Kalau korang berminat, just PM me pop apa yang korang nak, comment ataupun exclusive, just let me know. And that is for today's punya video. I hope you guys enjoy and get some knowledge about Funko Pop. If you guys think this videos help, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and let me know apa pula yang korang nak saya buat lepas ni. Thank you so much for watching. That is all from me for today. See you on the next video. Peace out.